Ugh.
Looked like this would take a while.
I guess you're right. Oh. 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 Mm. Oh.
Did I just look delicious to you right now?
Huh? No, not at all.
It's alright. Gabu, you haven't eaten anything for days, have you? And a girl like me would not be able to last any longer, since it's so cold outside. So, Gabu, leave enough for the both of us.
What on earth are you saying?
I'm really happy to have the chance to meet you, Gabu. To have made a friend I would even risk my life for.
If that's how you think of me, then I'm the one who's really happy.
So, Gabu, fill your belly with food and cross this mountain in good health.
What are you talking about? Where exactly do I find food?
It's right here. Isn't it?
No! Mei, you're not food!
See?
No! No! Stop rumbling! Stop rumbling! Stop rumbling! Stop rumbling! Oh, stop rumbling! Stop rumbling! Stop rumbling! Damn it! Why am I rumbling?
Gabu.
Oh, why? Why do I have to be born as a wolf? Damn it!
Hey, Gabu. Answer me truthfully. In that barn where you first met me, what would you have done if you knew that I was a goat?
I would have eaten you.
Yes, that's good. Just think of it as being like that time, okay?
Really? If it was a choice between one of us surviving or both of us starving to death, I wouldn't really care. Either way, we'll never be able to talk to each other again. That's the most painful thing about this.
I feel the same. I've been thinking of something the whole time we've been in this blizzard. Life will eventually end. But that doesn't mean the fact that we've met or the time we spent together will disappear. Right?
You're right. What really matters is how long it lasted. Alright. If you put it that way, I'll do it. That's it. Why don't we make it like the first time we've met? Where I come in from outside and just go, chomp? Okay?
It's decided. Well, Gabu, take care of yourself. Goodbye.
Yeah, goodbye. Me.
Goodbye, Gabu.